Well, we're pointing you to the south, and by tonight, hopefully we get a good shot of the eclipse. Now it's going to reach peak illumination around 9:44. Usually the south-facing cactus cam picks up some of that moon activity. Now we're watching some of this steady cloud cover with the southerly winds because it's an early preview of some of that thunderstorm activity that could fight its way back in by Sunday, but we're going to be holding on to those mid-90s all week long. Looking at the temperature change over the last 24 hours last night, down into those upper 60s. Then we made a good 27-degree run at those lower 90s, and we're leveling out right now at 94 degrees. Now you're seeing that margin get closer together, letting us know, hey, that cold front definitely on its way. When it's usually wider than 30 degrees, we're under the influence of high pressure, but we are seeing a lot of prefrontal warming. 94 in San Angelo. Everybody else joining us in those 90s across the entire board. That has to do with those southerly winds and the uniform humidity across the entire region. 91 in Sterling City, 93 down there in Junction. Everybody pretty close together, and we're getting a good idea of those humidity values with some of that light cloud cover making its way in from the south. Dew points are in those 60s unless you're off towards the southwest, where they're holding strong in those 50s, and the humidity indices are in those 30s unless you're in the southwest. Again, they're in those 20s. Now we're going to see how much they make their way up by this evening, usually hovering around that 60% mark. This is the upper level pattern. Talking with my producer earlier about tracking some of these stronger low pressure systems, this is the one we have our eye on for the weekend, cooling us off. But off towards the west, we're watching a stronger one. Take a good look at how big this is. That deep low wave trough is going to take us all the way down into the Concho Valley, and that's where we're going to see those temperatures drop all the way down into those 80s, and we're on the lookout for some of that thunderstorm activity. You can already see the spiraling effect from the circulation around Idaho. It's going to push over into Montana while we're watching another long wave trough right behind it. Again, keeping our eye on some of that activity along the Rocky Mountain Front Range. Then behind me, what's left of those tropical storms really holding things off in the upper level pattern. Moisture tracker going to show you how it's going to pull that moisture from the Concho Valley right up into the Dakotas and then push off towards Wisconsin, and that'll keep some of that moisture around the Concho Valley. But we have our eye on the bubble, the return of some of that Edwards Plateau activity that could keep us dry. Now we've seen the severe weather outlook push a little bit more off towards the east. We want to see those concentrations of yellow sort of push their way back into the Concho Valley. Of course, by Thursday, we're going to get a good look at that drought monitor. But when we look at the surface, we're starting to see a lot of severe weather develop because that's a lot of cold air pushing a lot of this moisture in from the Gulf of Mexico across the Panhandle and parts of Colorado and New Mexico. Now, we're getting a good idea of this southerly flow, of course, tracking those conditions for tonight. Futurecast is going to show you how the atmosphere is going to recharge. Here comes some of those storms pushing through the Panhandle. Wednesday morning, seeing that cloud cover burn off by lunch, seeing some of that Edwards Plateau activity. Thursday morning, more clouds. Then things kind of clear up as we see more circulating storms. Friday morning, that cloud cover picks up, and then we're going to see how much it clears out by kickoff. So tonight, dropping back down into those 60s. Still on the lookout for that beautiful lunar eclipse. Then tomorrow, back into those mid-90s, and that's really where we're going to stay all week long, seeing those clouds in the morning burn off. As we make our way closer towards the weekend and kickoff, we're still holding strong in those mid-90s. But as the weekend and the first day of the equinox comes around, we're going to see that cold front make its way through. Going to see our rain chances increase, and then by Monday next week, we're all the way down into those upper 80s, while those lows drop all the way back down into those mid 60s. Stay tuned, more for the break. You're watching KSAN News at 5.